Frog in the Well.
Once upon a time, there was an old well, and at the bottom lived a little frog. Every day, the frog hopped around and thought his well was the best place in the world.
Wow, the sky above the well is so big! This must be the whole world!
The frog often told himself. One day, a big sea turtle passed by and looked down at the little frog.
Hey, little frog, are you happy living here?
Asked the turtle.
The little frog jumped proudly and said,
Of course! Here I have water, rocks, and a big sky. I can't imagine a better place than this.
The turtle chuckled and shook his head.
You should really see the world outside. The sky beyond the well is far bigger than what you see, and the ocean is vast and endless.
The frog didn't
Believe him.
Impossible! I see the sky every day, and it is the whole world!
Oh, yay! The turtle sighed and said,
Then would you like to come with me and see? I promise you will be amazed.
Curious, the little frog decided to follow the turtle out of the well. As soon as he climbed out, the frog's eyes widened. He saw a huge sky, wide fields, and distant mountains.
Whoa! Wow, the world outside is so big!
The frog exclaimed. The turtle smiled and said,
The world is vast, and only when you step out can you truly see its greatness.
Kids, do you want to step out of your own well like the little frog and explore the bigger world? Remember, the world is much bigger than you think.